ఎవరేని అనుకున్నా నువ్వుండే రాజాన రాసు నువ్వెమంటూ నువ్వే మంత్రి నువ్వే.
Broadcast on iPulse itself. So today I am going to talk about two important points. One is the gut immunity as well as COVID-19, and the second thing is iPulse as a super brand. So these are the two important points that I want to cover today in this wonderful Facebook live series, my dear friends. So as you all know that immunity is a state of resistance of an organism to the invading pathogens. To put it in simpler words, whenever a pathogen which might be in the form of a virus, which might be in the form of a bacteria, this tries to invade your human bodies, our human bodies, the body automatically develops an immune response called as resistance. This is exactly called as resistance. So talking about immunity, there are two types of immunity basically in the human body. The first type of immunity is called as the active immunity, and the second one is called as passive immunity. So active immunity is the one which develops because of infection or vaccination, and passive immunity is the one which develops because of the antibodies which are produced in your body, as well as antibodies which are received in the form of medicines. This is how the immunity as a whole is categorized. Well, there is something called as herd immunity also. So herd immunity is a state where a set of population across the world or in your own locality or wherever they are, this set of population will develop a kind of immunity called as herd immunity. So herd immunity is a thing which naturally comes inside either because of vaccination or medicines or by the use of immune boosting supplements. And that is the reason why I am always telling you, my dear friends, immune boosting supplements are very important to develop this innate immunity or the natural immunity within our human bodies, so that the body will develop resistance against all kinds of invading microorganisms. It might be the virus, it might be the bacteria, and so on and so forth, my dear friends. So this is what is exactly called as developing herd immunity. So, and all Indus Viva products for that matter will help you develop this herd immunity so that you will not suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as herd immunity. So as I've told you, all the Indus Viva products are considered to be frontline immune booster products. This is very important. They are all frontline immune booster products. So whenever you are consuming these products as a whole, definitely they will protect you against all kinds of dreadful diseases by giving you the optimum resistance. This is very important. So it gives you the resistance. So that is the reason why we normally call as a wellness basket. These all products what we have are actually called as holistic health supplements. Holistic health supplements in the sense, these are the supplements which will work from the head till the toe. This is what is exactly called as holistic health supplements, my dear friends. So one important point I wanted to emphasize today was 3 days back, 26th of June, an article was published in one of the news blogs. 26th of June, an article was published in one of the news blogs in the state of Karnataka itself. So Karnataka to decide on distributing Ayurvedic medicines to increase immunity. This has come from the Chief Minister's office itself, which means that see the importance of natural products like the wellness products or the Ayurvedic medicines are gaining importance day by day for providing resistance against these kinds of dreadful viral diseases in future, my dear friends. This was actually one of the decisions which was actually taken, which will be mandated soon, where all the wellness kind of products can be given to people who want to develop their own resistance and immunity, my dear friends. See how the world is actually going towards the concept of immunity. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, see one of the other articles which appeared in Hindustan Times on 26th of June 2020. Hindustan Times on 26th of June, this states that coronavirus pandemic, post-COVID diseases emerging in children. See, leave about the coronavirus pandemic itself. The secondary situation scenarios which happen after the pandemic is gone is actually affecting our children, my friends. This is what exactly is a very dangerous thing about a pandemic. Pandemic will come and go, but the after effects or the side effects of the pandemic is a very, very dangerous scenario. This everybody needs to know about it. I hope you got my point. So what the scientists are now telling is children during the post-COVID-19 pandemic will develop hyperinflammatory syndromes, which includes the fever, headaches, abdominal pain, rashes, conjunctivitis, blood vessel diseases. These are some of the diseases which can come to our children whenever they are exposed to this COVID or post-COVID-19 lockdown situations. This is what the scientists across the world are saying. So corona came, corona went, but the side effects of this particular pandemic is a very, very dangerous thing, my dear friends. This can not only affect us, but also our young ones. Our children should also be protected by all these kinds of secondary infections in future. I hope you got my point clear. So for protecting our children also, we have wonderful products with us in our basket, like iPulse or whatever it is for that matter. You can definitely give it to our kids or the children so that their immune levels are also boosted, so that their bodies will also have a lot of resistance in the future, so that they will not be suffering from any kind of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, immunity and COVID-19. One of the other articles which was published in Times of India, dated 25th June 2020, 25th June 2020 in the Times of India. Herd immunity. So I was speaking about the concept of herd immunity. See, herd immunity is a situation where a large set of population will become immune to the disease naturally, either by by providing the treatment like vaccination or by the consumption of immune boosting supplements, my dear friends. So in our case, we have very good immune boosting supplements with us, which can definitely help the human body to get that resistance and automatically not suffer from any kind of diseases in the future. So this article clearly said like this: herd immunity may be achieved at 43%. See, again, this is a very important thing. Herd immunity might not be at 100%, my dear friends. It might be achieved at 43%. This is what the world is seeing. This is what our country is seeing right now. So the scientists are now telling that even after the advent of the vaccines or the intervention with the vaccines or the medicines, 43% of Indian population might be immune to the disease in forthcoming days. Not right now, in the future coming days, 43% of the people in this country can have that herd immunity, my dear friends. Well, we have a wonderful ammunition in our hands called as the wellness products, which can boost the immunity in the people, which can produce the resistance, so that we can also contribute to this wonderful concept of herd immunity, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, as I told you, iPulse today is called as a super brand. Super brand in the sense it is a super product by itself. See, the other important point that you have to see here is super brand always is, it is composed of fruits which are super in nature. And that is the reason why we call them as the super fruits also. So as you know, super fruits are richly composed of antioxidants. So super fruits are always composed of a lot of antioxidants. That is the reason why they are called as super fruits, my dear friends. See, one of the nutritionists called as Patricia Bannon, so she is in the United States of America. She is one of the researching nutritionists there. See, now they have come to an opinion that in the Los Angeles, especially in the state of California in the US, they say that the research shows antioxidant in the berries. See where the research is targeted these days. The antioxidants which are present in the berries like acai berry, the blueberry, the blackberry, etc. The research is showing that these can protect you from heart disease, some cancers, dementia, and finally these are the berries which can help boost your immune system. I hope you got my point clear. I would like to repeat the last line again. One of the major researches which has happened in Los Angeles very recently, a dietitian who is a researching dietitian named Patricia Bannon, she has clearly told that berries, including the acai berry, the blueberry or the blackberry or whatever kinds of berries, otherwise called as the superfruits, these are responsible for boosting your immune system. So boosting your immune system, my dear friends. So this is what exactly is the responsibility of us in order to spread this wonderful concept of antioxidants as well as immunity, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going about this antioxidant fruits again, antioxidant fruits are always related with your gut health. See, I want to bring in the concept of gut immunity as well as your immune system. This is very important. So where is the importance of antioxidants so far as the gut health is concerned? See, normally in some of my training programs which we have visualized always, we normally give this analogy of gut health to that of Madhya Pradesh. See, your Madhya Pradesh in the body is actually the gut health. So you have to take care of your Madhya Pradesh so that the whole country is maintained actually. So you have to take care of your Madhya Pradesh inside your body, which is your stomach, so that your whole holistic health is maintained, my dear friends. That is the reason why antioxidant fruits, when you are consuming on a daily basis, they will take care of your gut health. Whenever your gut health or your Madhya Pradesh is maintained, it is improved, automatically your immune system also boosts up, thereby giving resistance to your whole body. This is what is exactly called as the relationship between immunity, gut immunity, and your body health. I hope you got my point clear. So, gut health. So, gut health are mainly enriched by the use of antioxidants, which are rich with vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, zinc, and selenium. So, these are some of the elements which are considered to be the potent antioxidants which can help your gut health to improve. So, you don't have to worry about these vitamins or minerals because our product iPulse contains a richness of antioxidant fruits, especially they have this acai berries, the berries and so on. These berries are considered to be very good gut health supplements which can help improve your immunity. So you don't have to worry about using of these nutrient supplements also. So simply use 60 ml of iPulse a day. You will get an ORAC score of 7,000. This is what exactly iPulse is all about, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, so what can we expect when we heal our gut? So this is a very important thing. Normally, detoxification of the gut is a very important thing. So whenever you detoxify your gut, automatically your immune system is also improved, by which more and more antioxidants can be pumped inside the body and it can help in providing resistance to your body, my dear friends. Suppose your Madhya Pradesh, your gut, your stomach is detoxified, what will happen? The first and the foremost thing, your resistance to stress will improve, which means that your stress levels reduces. You will have a clearer skin. Your allergy levels will reduce. You will have a lower risk of disease. Your cognitive function will improve. Your absorption of nutrients will improve. You will have less anxiety and depression. Similarly, you have less food sensitivities. You will have a stronger immune system. You will have reduced inflammation and pain. You will have a good hormonal control. Finally, your moods will also improve. This is what is exactly going to happen when your gut is actually maintained, when your gut health is improved. So I hope you got my point clear. So please take care of your gut so that your whole immune status can be improved, my dear friends. Similarly, how to improve your gut health? As I told you, always get good sleep, stock up your nutrient requirement, especially when you consume iPulse on a regular basis, your nutrient requirement is almost fulfilled, because of which automatically your body will receive a lot of nutrient supplements there itself. Similarly, you always improve your intake of green leafy vegetables. Normally we ignore these green leafy vegetables. It is always important for us to improve on this dietary consumption of green leafy vegetables, my dear friends. Similarly, do not forget to hydrate yourself. Hydrate in the sense, drink a lot of water, at least 3.5 to 4 liters of water on everyday basis, so that your body is optimum hydrated, so that you will not be able to suffer from any disease. Your detoxification process inside the body will be improved, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, as I told you, one of the other articles I wanted to tell you here, which appeared in the month of May 2020, this was written by one of the doctors back in the United Kingdom. The name of the doctor is Dr. Lucien Harthoorn. Dr. Harthoorn says that 70% of the immune cells are found in your gut. See how important this information is. 70% of your immune cells are present in your gut, which means that your Madhya Pradesh forms a very important place in your body actually. 70% of the immune cells are staying in your gut. So whenever you are improving your gut health and immunity, automatically your immune status will improve. This is what exactly is called as gut health and immunity, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So as you all know that iPulse contains a wonderful ingredient called as acai berry, which is sourced from Amazon rainforests in South America. It is only indigenous to Amazon rainforests in South America. It is one of the best cardiac support fruit. It is also a very good antioxidant. It is having a very high ORAC score of more than 1 lakh, 1,02,700 in specific. It is also a very good ingredient for destroying the cancer cells. It improves your immune system. It is inspired by the space drink AS10, which is used by the NASA astronauts for protecting themselves from radiation. It is also used as a food for centuries. This is how acai berry is a very important fruit. And as I've told you previously, I want to repeat this point again. We are using the freeze-dried powder of acai berry, which is freezed to minus 80 degrees Celsius, and then it is powdered. So this freeze-dried powder of acai berry is used at a percentage of 14% in the product, 14% in the product. So you will have the best of the best quality acai berry, which is removed from the tree and used in the product, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. As I've told you, say World Health Organization gives you a guideline of having 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. But how do you get this 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants in a day? Suppose if you consume 60 ml of iPulse in a day, that is 30 ml twice a day, you will get the ORAC score of more than 7000 units, which is actually, more than that of eating 3.5 kgs of fresh organically derived garden fruits, my dear friends. This is also very important information that everybody needs to know. Along with this, iPulse also contains a richness of 14 other fruits. Along with acai berry, it has 14 other fruits. All together, put together is called as iPulse, my dear friends. As I told you, if you consume 60 ml of iPulse in a day, iPulse will be able to neutralize the free radicals which have been liberated across your body. Whenever the free radicals are neutralized, automatically the body will not be inflicted or affected with any kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. So as you all know that iPulse is a wonderful product which has to be used at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, 30 ml in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before your dinner. So along with this, iPulse is best suited for even diabetic people. Suppose whenever you are giving iPulse for a diabetic patient, it is always important to give 20 ml in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before your dinner. So 20 ml 2 times must be the best dose in case of diabetes. iPulse can be given, it can be given safely in case of blood pressure patients also, either in low blood pressure or high blood pressure. So far as the age limit is concerned, it is always important to start iPulse from 1 year onwards till 100 years. It can be taken as long as you desire it, but as a general rule, I want to tell you that for any dietary supplement or a wellness product, it is always important for you to consume the product for a minimum period of 3 months at least for improving the safety, efficacy, as well as the absorption of the product. Similarly, the time of intake, as you all know, that 2 times in a day, and pregnancy and lactation also, definitely you can give this product, especially for the first 6 months of pregnancy. And during the lactation period, it is always better to stop the product for the first month. From the second month onwards, it is very important for you to continue this product so that the more safety and efficacy you can receive from this product, my dear friends. I hope the 2 important points what I spoke to you today. The first point is about the the importance of iPulse in relationship with the gut health. A very important thing that everyone needs to know this, gut health as well as iPulse. The second thing is about the super brand. So always try to promote this product by stating this particular promotional tip I gave you today is about the gut health. Please maintain your gut health so that your whole immunity in the body will be maintained, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. In other words to say, please maintain the health of your Madhya Pradesh. So automatically the whole body from Jammu till Kanyakumari, definitely everything will be maintained holistically, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you so much for watching this wonderful Facebook Live event, a short topic on iPulse which I had to tell you today. So I have given you the 2 promotional tips today. Please utilize them properly so that you can get benefit out of it and promote the product in a scientifically validated as well as a logical way, my dear friends. Thank you very much for watching this. Now it is a question answer time. So I'll be taking up the last week's questions first, followed by the present week's questions. So let me talk about the last week's questions first before I take the present week's questions. Sorry. So the first question that I am seeing here from the last week is from Mr. Sadashiv Chinchali. So Sadashiv Chinchali is actually asking me a question like this: how iPulse is used for white patches. See, as I told you, white patches or vitiligo for that matter is a pigmentation disorder. I would definitely suggest iPulse in this situation along with the use of eye glow also. But this is a kind of a disorder where the pigmentation variations will happen now and then. So definitely long-term use of iPulse and eye glow will definitely help in solving this matter as well. I hope you got my point clear. You can use a combination of eye pulse as well as eye glow, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Jai Pandi. Mr. Jai Pandi, if you are watching this, your question goes something like this. What is the pH value of our eye pulse? I'll tell you the pH value of our eye pulse. It comes in the range of 3.2 to 3.5. I hope you got my point clear. It is 3.2 to 3.5. It comes in the acidic bracket only. Eye pulse or any other product of Indus Viva, the pH when you see, it comes in the bracket of acidic pH only. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Mr. Pasha Mohammed. Can eye pulse reduce body pains? Absolutely yes. Definitely eye pulse can be used for neurological problems as well as musculoskeletal issues. So one can safely use eye pulse in cases of body pains. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Sushmita. Sir, if a person with cancer and low hemoglobin level, what should be the dose and timing of giving eye pulse? I would like to tell you one thing. When there is a low hemoglobin level in the blood, it is always important for you to give eye pulse 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after your food. See, I hope you got my point. It is not before the food, it is half an hour after the food if the hemoglobin level is low. I hope you got my point. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Adimurthy Sompalli. If Mr. Adimurthy is seeing this, so sir, eye pulse used for TB patients, tuberculosis. As I told you, tuberculosis is actually a very degenerative disease in nature. So one thing is important, they have to continue with their AKT kits, otherwise called as the anti-tubercular kits, which they are using. Along with that, eye pulse can be definitely given as a generalized immune boosting health supplement. So Mr. Adimurthy, I hope you got my point. So the next question is from Mr. Srinivas Bhaiya Srinivas. Kidney dialysis patient, how can we recommend eye pulse? A very good question again, Mr. Srinivas. If you are watching this, the answer is something like this, because during the course of dialysis, I always normally suggest my people not to use any of the products during the day of dialysis, on the day of dialysis. On the remaining days of dialysis, for example, if a person is undergoing dialysis 2 days in a week, you should stop the products on those 2 days only. The remaining days, definitely you can continue the products. There will be no problems. You can give any of our products, including eye pulse. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Pradeep Sharma. What is the source of potassium sorbate QS used in eye pulse? As I have told you before also, we have replaced sodium benzoate with the potassium sorbate. But one thing I want to tell you, my dear friend, potassium sorbate is a very, very, very mild preservative as compared to sodium benzoate. And potassium sorbate is also added at a ratio of 0.01%. So, and potassium sorbate, what we are using is a semi-synthetic source. I hope you got my point. It is called as a semi-synthetic source and we are using it at 0.01%, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. The 0.01% is absolutely allowed by the food laws and Ayush laws of India. So definitely based on these laws which are given by the government of India, we are complying by those rules and regulations and definitely delivering you the product, my dear friend. I hope you got my point. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Medavid Viva Diamond. I don't know the name of the person, so sorry for that. It is Viva Diamond. So eye pulse can be given for high uric acid in urine. Please, can we suggest eye pulse? Absolutely yes. In cases of uric acid conditions like gout, gouty arthritis, definitely eye pulse can be used at a dose of 30 ml twice, half an hour before your food. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Ms. Pooja Gautam Thakur. Why allopathic doctors are denying our products? See, one thing I will tell you, whenever you approach an allopathic doctor, it is always important for you to show our scientific credibilities. See, we have a paper of eye pulse which is already published on our website. Please utilize the paper and show the paper to them, show the scientific publication to them. One more important thing that I want to tell all the Vivites who are seeing this, we are in fact doing a lot of clinical trials on eye pulse. Probably because of this COVID-19 situation, a bit of delay has happened, but definitely I would like to assure you that by the end of the year, we will be publishing a lot of clinical trial papers and scientific validations on our product. Even allopathic doctors can definitely see this product as a scientifically validated and a logical product, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Pradeep Sharma. So during the consumption of eye pulse due to body detoxification, can some people also face issue of circles, particularly old age people? I am not able to understand your circles here. Are you talking about the dark circles or are you talking about any other kind of side effects? Suppose if you have a doubt, please do message us on the Facebook Messenger so that we will be able to analyze your query and answer you, Mr. Pradeep Sharma. If it is a concept of dark circles, it is something which is related to the skin. We may have to see what exactly the situation is. Please do message us on our messenger so that we will be able to answer your question. I hope you got my point. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Nandini Chitakula. If Ms. Nandini is seeing this, can IPULS be given to a person who has undergone bypass surgery? Absolutely, as a generalized health supplement, IPULS can be given to a person who has undergone a bypass surgery at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food, my dear friend. So the next question I am seeing here is from Mr. Akhil Balakrishnan. Sir, can we suggest IPULS for hormonal abnormal conditions or hormonal imbalance condition for that matter? Absolutely yes. IPULS can be given in a condition like hormonal imbalance at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food. So the last question of the last week that I am taking is from Mr. Pradeep Sharma. How much quantity of potassium sorbate is used? I hope this query is answered, but still for the sake of everyone, I would like to answer this query again. We are using 0.01% of potassium sorbate in our product IPULS, and it is from a semi-synthetic source. The level of IPULS, potassium sorbate that we are using in our product is absolutely low and negligible. Again, I am trying to repeat these two words. It is absolutely low and negligible so that you don't have to worry about the side effects of the product, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. So this was the last week's questions. So let me take the present week's questions now. So today my colleague Ms. Santoshini has collected the questions for me. The first question is from Mr. Mahendra Reddy Kancharla. If Mr. Mahendra Reddy is seeing this, sir, may we know what is the ratio of acai berry in IPULS? As I told you, we are using the freeze-dried powder of acai berry at a ratio of 14%, 14%. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Praveen Kumar. What dose of our product suggest for neurofibroma or spinal cord issues? If I have to generalize this, I would like to take this concept as a neurological condition. Definitely for a neurological condition, you may give a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food, my dear friend. So the next question is from Mr. Totakara Varghese Sunny. So Mr. Varghese is asking a question like this: does consumption of IPULS result in piles or constipation? So one thing that most people ask about this is, whenever a wellness product is consumed, automatically the detoxification process starts in the body. So whenever the detoxification process happens, what exactly happens is the basal metabolic rate or the BMR usually increases. Whenever the BMR increases, sometimes the heat in the body increases and it can result in piles or hemorrhoids. That is the reason why I always tell that one has to consume a lot of fluids, that is 3.5 to 4 liters of water on a daily basis, so that the detoxification process easily happens and the heat reduces inside the body, so that one will not suffer from any kind of piles or any kind of gastrointestinal issues, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Ramkumar Tummeti, if I am correctly spelling your word, Tummeti Ramkumar. So a newborn baby of 37 days is having a hole in her heart. Can she consume IPULS? No, absolutely no. We don't suggest IPULS for an infant, but we are suggesting IPULS only after 1 year of age till 100 years. I hope you got my point, Mr. Ramkumar. So the next question that I am seeing is from Mr. Muhammad Pasha. So for body pains, what is the suggestion which is suitable for them? Is it IPULS or iCoffee? Suppose if the person is having symptoms of diabetes, you can suggest both the products iPULS and iCoffee. Otherwise, if they are not having any diabetes complaints, it is always important for you to suggest only iPULS 30 ml twice daily would be an optimum dose, my dear friend. So the last question of the day that I am taking is from Mr. Rakesh Katwal. My grandmother is a heart patient from last 15 years. She is facing clotting related issues. Now her levels are 15.14 or 5.14. Approximately, can I suggest iPULS immediately to my grandmother? I am reading it as 5.14 as I am seeing it on my paper. So definitely yes. One important thing is, especially in very old ages like 80 years or 75 years or more than that, it is always important you to give iPULS 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food. I hope you got my point, Mr. Rakesh. 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food will definitely serve the purpose. I hope you got my point clear. So thanks very much, Vivides, for posing your wonderful queries. I hope the queries are getting resolved. Don't worry about it. Whenever your queries are left unanswered, you also have an option of posing the queries on our Facebook Messenger page. In our Indus Viva page, there is a messenger. You can post your queries there. If your questions are left unanswered, don't worry about it. I will be able to answer your questions next Monday. There is another iPulse day. So wherein I will be coming up with the last week's questions as well as the present week's questions also, my dear friends. So thank you very much for your patient watching, and we really appreciate the queries posed by you, my dear Vivites, and getting your queries solved for effective promotion in the market. So thank you very much for watching this again. And I want to repeat you that if someone is not able to watch this live, I always suggest you to host watch parties and the links on other social media platforms so that everyone is benefited by watching this wonderful Ask the Doctor Facebook live series, my dear friends. Thanks very much for patient watching again. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences Corporate Office, Bangalore. Have a nice day ahead. Have a healthy life. Thank you very much.